Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can overdraft on Cash App. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So for that matter, if you have been wondering whether it is possible you can do it or not, then I do have a particular information to share. For that, if you go to this eligible cash customer coverage, is that here in the section you can see Cash App offers eligible customers free overdraft coverage. Actually, that allows you to overdraw on your cash balance for free. Cash App will never charge you any overdraft fees for overdrawing your balance. And it also accounts you can actually receive up to $50 in free overdraft coverage, but there is some limits you have to have for your individual accounts that you have to vary before doing that. And you can see there is no action that can be taken to increase the free overdraft coverage limit as well, but you have to make sure that whether you're eligible or not. So for that, you have to have an activate cash card, you have to enable direct deposit, and direct deposit $300 or more every month in paychecks for you to get a $50 worth of overdraft coverage. So that is available, but if you would like to know a simple overdraft, that is simply Cash App doesn't offer, but for the eligible accounts it actually offers you some the overdraft coverage of up to $50 in free. So that is the information for you all. Hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.